Hello YouTube, it's the Ulster here, and it's such a lovely day out here. I thought this season for me just to ride my bike and just give you some comments on some of the comments I've received on my YouTube channel. Really great comments actually. So quite a few of you guys are kind of confused on which bike you want to get. Do you want to get the V4, the Aprilia RS V4, or do you want to get the Street Fighter? And some of the comments were saying, oh, which one does sound better, which one sounds nice, and all that stuff. Well, both bikes are totally different, really different. I know they're V4s, but the sound is absolutely gorgeous on both bikes, and so it really depends on which one you want. For my application, what I like on the Street Fighter is purely for cruising around, the canyon runs and all that stuff, and got to take to the track days. But my Aprilia, love it for the track, just a track weapon, absolutely gorgeous machine. The V4, the Ducati, the Street Fighter V4, it's like buying two bikes, to be quite honest. The reason why I say that is because you've got the V4, I don't know if you can hear the sound as it is, but when you go to a stop, who's stationary, it switches over to to like a twin, and it just sounds gorgeous. I love how Ducati just used the genetics on that. It's great. So yeah, I mean, it's one of these. It's your decision really. I can't make it for you. But whatever you do, whichever way you go, you won't regret it. Trust me on this. You really won't regret it. That was fun. So what problems do I have with this bike? And to be quite honest, I have no major problem. The only problems I had was that leaking fuel which I posted literally 2 years ago. So far so good, not cutting out on me at all. It's a lovely ride. Woo. Occasionally this bike sometimes gives us that impression that it doesn't want to start, but it starts, if it kind of makes sense. Failing that, I mean, that's it. No other problems. What do I think about this bike? Good question. Well, do I need to say this bike is so comfortable to ride? It's I think for the longest I've been on this bike in the saddle is about 3 hours, and 3 hours of riding on the bike, I mean, that's not long, I mean, compared to some of you hardcore motorists, but for 3 hours so far, really comfortable, no back problems, and I've got back issues, you know, but it's very comfortable. What I like about this bike is it just wants to lean all the time. Every time you go around a roundabout, or you do a a long left or long right, it just wants to tip in. It's so forgiving. It's almost like it encourages you to tip in. Yeah, it's very comfortable. I haven't done any nighttime riding yet. I plan to do that, funny enough, next week. Gear change on there is so sweet. In fact, I'm not still enjoying this bike. I absolutely love this bike. A twin, I don't know if you can hear it. It's just gorgeous.